If you use the EveryDollar app, you already know it's built by Dave Ramsey to help you budget using the zero-based method. Every dollar gets a job. The free version is solid. You can make monthly budgets, track spending, and plan ahead. But you might have seen the premium upgrade, which costs around $8 a month. So, is it worth paying for? Premium adds a few nice perks: auto-syncing your bank accounts, bill reminders, goal tracking, and access to past budgets. That means less manual work and more real-time updates. Great if you want to save time and stay consistent with your budgeting. But here's the deal. If you're okay with updating things by hand or on a tight budget yourself, the free version still works just fine. So, is it worth upgrading? If you want convenience and a smoother experience, yes. But if you don't mind doing a bit of typing and want to keep things 100% free, stick with the basic version. Let me know if you upgraded to EveryDollar Premium. And if you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe for more honest reviews every week. See you next tutorial.